In order to solve problems that are involving angles, we're going to do the following. This is from Chapter 4, Problem 25. The question they're asking is, a river flows toward the east. Because of your knowledge of physics, you head your boat 53 degrees west of northwest and have a velocity of 6 meters per second due north relative to the shore. A, what is the velocity of the current? And B, what is your speed relative to the water? Now, in order to solve this problem, we're going to have to do the following and set up the formula. We know first and foremost that if the boat were to be passing or crossing through without a current, we know that it's going to travel in this direction at a constant velocity of 6 meters per second. Now we know that there is some sort of current, and because it is so, the boat is actually at an angle of roughly 53 degrees. Therefore, theta is equal to 53 degrees. In order to solve for A, the question is asking, what is the velocity of the current? We are asking for, what is this section right here? What is the velocity of the current? Or the change in distance, displacement, due to this 53 degrees right here. We know that we can set up tangent of theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. We have theta, which is 53 degrees. We also have the adjacent side relative to theta. Tangent of theta, or 53, is equal to opposite if we take adjacent and multiply it by both sides. We know adjacent to be 6, tangent of 53 degrees is equal to 8 meters per second. We now can solve the velocity of the current, or the change in the position relative to the current, which is 8 meters per second. The second question that they're asking, what is your speed relative to the water? We're looking for the resultant. What is the resultant relative to the water and the current of the water? In order to solve for B, we can use the following. A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared. We know one side to be 6 squared. We know the other side to be 8 squared. Therefore, we can solve for C. We know that 100 is equal to C squared. If we take the square root of both sides, we know C to equal 10 meters per second. Therefore, B is equal to 10 meters per second.